Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set Slack notification sound. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do is to go to your preferences or setting your preferences settings of your Slack profile. So to do that, we will be needing just to simply go to our profile and from there we will find the preferences. So here you will have your working space and basically this is your sidebar or side menu. From here you will get all the choices or all the features where you can access your Slack features like the channels, DMs, and apps. And basically at the corner we will find this profile picture. Now we are interested in going to preferences. So from preferences, you will be able to go to notifications, and from notification, you will be able to choose the voice of your notification. So as you can see, if you're not active on desktop, here you can like uh, have the notification sound, which is this one, and basically you need just to choose anyone. So basically, you can get any notification sound that you would like, and simply you have it. And basically, you will need just like to save it after that. So the settings will be saved automatically here from the preferences or the web version because I'm not using the desktop app. I'm only using the web version. So after, let's just go again to our preferences, and from notification you will choose anything, and of course you will also have like some additional settings that you can choose, like if you're not active on the desktop you can choose like to send notification to the mobile devices, like send an email notification for mentions in direct messages if you'd like, or you can deactivate them and you can do whatever you'd like. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.